We're going to take you back now to 1952. Marvellous year that was, I tell you. In 1952, a certain young lady by the name of Jean Kelly made this very memorable film, she did. And in this memorable film, she sang this particular song. She had to sing this song because it had the same title as the film, to be honest. Coincidence, what? Not boring you, am I? Well, this is a song from the film, from the book, from the comic strip, from the newspaper, just like this.
Oh, the hat, Paul, what hat, please? Le chapeau. Thank you. Hey, you gotta pop the curtains here.
So silly.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I laugh at you. So dark as above. The sun's in my heart and let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Oh, the rain, there's your smile. I'll walk down the lane. Oh, where I live, you wouldn't walk down the lane like this. You run down there where I live and dancing in the rain.
Tap dance, go tap dance.
I'm wearing rubber sole shoes.
Sporty there.
Come on, sing. I'm singing. Let me hear you sing. Come on. What a glorious feeling. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing and dancing it. Dooby-doo, 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 dooby-doo.